show off for the ladies. This is for the women, and the men.
He always goes up front to whisper.
They're saying wacky things like, whoa, 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 look at that.
Bends down.
All right. Yes. Cool. You show off for the ladies. This is for the women, and the men, so they know what to do, how to get big and strong. Ready?
Go.
Okay, guys. So we've done this about 50 times now. This is the last time we're gonna have to do it. As you can see, take a look at that. Beautiful. Oh. That's good. That's good. Now this is pod racing. What's Kyle the fish whisperer doing?
He always goes up front to whisper.
And then one TikTok had like 20 million views, but again, it didn't do much for the YouTube. But I felt like I was supposed to quit my job and do it full time. Telling Brandon this, felt like that was the one area of my life that I think I wasn't really walking in like integrity at the time, and I felt like that was the one thing I needed to get. And I was just like, okay, God, if this is, you know, I did it. Eventually, I got the property in Waco. I sold my car, got a bus, and I quit. Me tons of things to hit them with.
That riot shield's the funniest thing.
Yeah, like the riot shield, like.
Oh, baby!
And that was a lot of fun. But like that one first video, like we had never had a video do well on YouTube. Like, and then someone posted on Reddit. Overnight, it got like a few million. That's an incredible thing to wake up to the day after you quit your job.
Oh yeah, that's a God thing for sure.
Is that a good spot?
Yeah, it's perfect.
All right, guys, get ready. This is a there's a monster 8-foot gar on this. As you can see, get ready.
So a little backstory, the long-nosed gar that Ben has hooked has actually swam into a different line that we had out. So this entire situation is us trying to get that figured out, untangled, so we can fight the fish without having another fishing pole's line tangled up in it.
Good work.
Yeah, bro, he's not fighting it.
Ooh,
That's a long nose. Yeah.
that's a big long nose.
Yeah, I know. I'll just start saying wacky things like, whoa, 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 look at this. God, whoa. Is this an alligator dog on Fortnite? New species? Fish from Minecraft? A real thing? They made fish from Minecraft? A real thing? This is about as big as they get though. The alligator gar will get to be about 8 to 9 feet. Look at those teeth.
Biting your shirt.
Yeah, see how sharp those teeth are? If you get your finger in there, yeah, you'll get. You'll have a bad day. Good thing is, my shirt is protecting me from that. It's not protecting me at all from him thrashing. Look at that beautiful, beautiful fish. And let's see. Oh, I just hand caught a gar. Oh, just hand caught it. Oh, okay. There we go. We're releasing it. Whoa, whoa! Did I just hand cut? Oh, oh, whoa! Am I about to hand catch a giant gar? Am I about to hand catch?
We realized quickly there were no big gar in the area we were fishing, so we started back down, back through the rapids that we spent all morning climbing out.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Yeah, hold it, yeah. Can't really do it.
Oh no! Go get it! Honestly, just keep doing that.
Yeah, keep doing that. You got it.
So that was pretty easy. Yeah, I'm not very happy about what's coming next. You gotta love the natural Texas springs. Look at that. You can tell this has been going on for a while.
What I'm doing here is testing the temperature of this water. If it's a cool water temperature, that means it's coming from the natural springs here in Texas.
Yeah. Oh, that felt good.
This water is about 63 degrees because it's probably coming straight up from St. Edward's Aquifer. I'd like to drink this hot water. Don't mind if I do. Oh, that's really fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta try it. It's good stuff.
Really? For me?
Give it a bite. Give it a bite.
It genuinely tastes like Fiji water.
Yeah.
Bends down.
Kyle and Ben are working on getting the kayak that flipped over out of the water here. And I can see how Ben flipped the kayak over with what's about to happen to me next.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody calm down.
Looks like Ben's kayak flipped over, filled with water, and they just got it out.
After getting through some of the tougher parts of the rapids, we decided to go take a look at this creek that Ben found earlier that day, just to explore what we could find and for a nice break.
Look at that farmer's tan too.
Oh gosh, what was that? Oh, it's a frog.
It was a frog, don't worry.
Okay, this is the end.
End of the road.
Yeah, but what is this? Like, how does it look like that? I wonder.
It's just gotta be years of water forming it like that. But it is really weird.
What is it?
Just all the circle stones.
Yeah, that. Like this. This is...
These two things.
I have a baby version of that.
This guy.
Yeah.
Whew! Finally made it out. That was tough.